Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on bulk importing product and services from an Excel or CSV file into QuickBooks Online using Saasant Transactions in minutes. We'll guide you through this seamless process. Saasant is an exceptional tool that simplifies data integration between Excel and QuickBooks, making importing entries a breeze. Let's get started. Open your Excel file containing the product and service. Make sure the file is structured with columns for product name, purchase description, cost, and all other required data. Accurate data and proper formatting are critical. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Search for the Saasant Transactions application in QuickBooks App Store and click Get App Now. Follow the instructions and allow the application to access your QuickBooks data. You will now be redirected to the Saasant Transactions. Navigate to the Import section and select the transaction type as product and service. Saasant's user-friendly interface streamlines the entire importing process. You can drag and drop, browse, and upload it from your local computer or use a Google Sheets link. Map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Ensure a proper match for the product name, purchase description, cost, and all other required data. Saasant will automatically detect the headers and display a preview of your data if you have used the Saasant template. Click the Preview Mapping button on the mapping screen to preview your mapping on a simulated QuickBooks screen. Review the file summary presented by Saasant to confirm accurate mapping and data alignment. Double-check before proceeding with the upload process. Initiate the import process by clicking Upload in Saasant. Sit back as Saasant seamlessly transfers your product and service to QuickBooks. Tap Show Results to verify your imported transactions in QuickBooks, which allows you to check the transactions through their respective transaction response ID icons. Now, your product and service have been successfully imported. If you want to modify your existing QuickBooks product and service, you can bulk modify your data by uploading the new file and proceeding to update QuickBooks. This will modify your latest changes in existing products and services in QuickBooks. Saasant Transactions enhances your accounting workflow significantly by quickly importing large amounts of data into QuickBooks. It eliminates manual data entry, making your accounting workflow more efficient by directly transferring Excel data into QuickBooks and Xero. To get started, Saasant offers a 30-day trial without requiring a credit card, and subscription plans are incredibly affordable. For more details, visit the Saasant website.